Right, we're at the base camp here now in Chamonix, just off the main road, literally a 2 or 3 minute walk to the town centre. You've just seen Provence there, great ski area, and that's linked to Flechier, which you're just seeing now. To the left there was the state train station and the Montenvers that goes up to the Mer de Glace. And then here you can see parking here, so that's where you'll be parking. And the apartment is a lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment just behind this hedge here. I promise you there's great views. We'll take some shots of the great views, but come on through and we'll work out where the entrance. But just before we do, look at that. There's Mont Blanc. Fantastic. Let's go through and open up. Okay, I've just punched the keypad in. You'll obviously get that. Let's go through. Now, here's our apartment door base camp. I've got the keys already, but we're going to pretend I haven't. So come here, and this is where we collect the keys from. So down here, past the lift on the left, and the lift on the left will take you down to the basement where we've got a garage, but it's not for cars because the owner's taken half of it, but it's great for storage of bikes and stuff like that. There is a ski logger here as well, just around the corner, and I'll show you that in a second. But in here, you just go in, Jake, and have a look. And I'll tell you where it is. I'll point with my finger. So it's this key box here, okay? This one here, okay? It says Basecamp on the end. You get the keys out of there, and then we come back and we open up the apartment. Now there's a trick to open up this apartment. It's an Italian design, and the Italians have wonderful keys. Now, if you put it in one way, nothing really happens. So put it in the other, don't force it, put it in the other, and it goes in all the way. Now if it's locked properly, about 5 or 6 times you're turning and turning and turning, and you'll just see when I open up how many locks it has. And then at the end you just pull it a little bit like that, the last one, and we're in. Let's go in. Yep, just pop the keys on the side here, because when you leave you really want to take them with you, because as we said before, you shut the door and you can't get back in. So take the keys with you, put them in the key lock box so that everyone can come in when they want to. Let's have a quick look around here. There's some great, we've got 2 really nice sofas here. Both of them convert into a double sofa bed. Lovely big TV, some great artwork on the wall. It's really modern. It's super lovely. I really love this. This is my favourite apartment, I think. Absolutely my favourite. Fully fitted kitchen, you've got oven, microwave, hobs, there's loads and loads of stuff in the cupboards. You've got a lovely fridge here, here's the fridge there, loads and loads of things here, fully fitted, really, really good, okay? Seating for 6, but it does sleep 8 actually, with the 2 double sofa beds, but you know, that's probably a little bit of a squeeze, but we do sleep 8. Now come on through, let's have a look at the bedrooms. There's a loo in there. I won't bother open the door. Come in here, Jake, and have a look around. Beautiful double bed, large double bed. And if you go to the left, you'll swing through, fitted wardrobes each side, and you'll swing through into the bathroom. Lovely ensuite bathroom. Now come on through with me, and we'll go through into the next room. Again, just to join in here. And again, this is set up as a twin. So this is a double and a twin. 2 double twin beds there. And again, if we just open this door here, walk on through there, Jake, that takes you in to the ensuite as well, okay? And behind the door there is a fitted wardrobe, okay? So there we are. What a wonderful property. Honestly, it's lovely. This is such a great property to stay in. So close to facilities. You've got parking. What more can I say? We're on the terrace outside Basecamp, and we always get asked with the hedge here, which gives us a great bit of privacy, but what does that do to our views? Well, you can see here that it really doesn't affect the views if you're sat there and you're looking that way. And if you come round and look just behind my head, Jake, you'll see that there's great views up there as well. So it's a bit of a trade-off, but you've still got great views and you've got the privacy, and you get some great sun in the late afternoon and early morning here.